Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. So you only need like one accessory adjustments, and I don't think I use any. Oh, I did use VIP for one of the skirt, but it's like optional, I guess. So I'm gonna be removing everything, like literally everything. Oh my god. Okay, hopefully I remember. So for the makeup, I used no eyes, no brows. For the lips, I use this. For the nose, I use the skull makeup. And then for the eyes, I use this skull makeup too in white. Then I use the, like, I don't know, surgery thing, and I put it at the base. Then for the hair, I use this hair in this color, BE391A. For the outfit, hopefully I remember everything. I did use this mesh top and the second toggle. And also the mesh thing, and I don't remember which toggle I used, but I did toggle it to the thick setting. Then I used this dress in the third toggle and layer on, and I also turned off the belt. For the first one, I used this pattern. For the second one, I used this yellow. Then I also used this skirt here in this color, and then 2E5B4C, and then black, and then this pattern again. And then I used, let's go to the code place because I used a lot. Select this, and then select sleeves only, and color it this color, and I think I did yellow. And then I'm going to also get the like Valentine's Day, you know what? Oh, this one in layer only. And I did this pattern. No, I did this and then this pattern. Then I also used this in the fifth toggle, and I just colored everything black here. Oh, I also toggled off the chains and texture. Then I used the LS skirt and long turned off ribbon, and I colored it this color and then this pattern. Then I colored that green again. And then I just need one VIP skirt, this one. If you don't have it, that's fine. I'm going to color it yellow and that green. Then I'm just going to put on these boots here in all black. And for the eyes, fortunately you can only do it on free play. Select the round earrings, color them black, and scale it down. Then you're going to save your outfit here. I just saved mine. Oh, also you need eyelashes. I forgot about that. And then basically you're just going to scale it down a lot more, so they're like super tiny. And then I'm just going to scale it up again so they fit in like the correct space. And I also used some lashes as well. Let me just put this on because I didn't save it with this. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Whoops, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.